How to fix Spotify download failed. Now, if your download has been failing on Spotify and you're trying to download a song, now first of all, in order to download a song on Spotify, you need to have premium, so I'm assuming that you have that. The problem is that whenever you're trying to download something, it is giving you any type of error. The first thing we will try to check is if our internet connection is not at fault. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and then see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't help you solve the problem, then it could be due to some permission issues. If you're using the application on Android, what I would recommend you do is you long press the Spotify app icon on any given Android phone. Then you'll find the option called eye icon that says app info. This setting will be found on every Android devices. And from here, first of all, go to storage and go to clear cache files. Now, when you've done that, you might also want to come back and go to the option called permissions. Now, when you come to permissions, you can see all of these permissions. So first go to music and audio and make sure you allow the Spotify app to access your music and audio. Not only that, you need to enable the file permissions. Now, normally you can just tap the three dots and select all permissions, and you can see all this type of permissions over here. If you find the file permission, then that's perfectly fine. But if you don't, then what you have to do is simply open settings. Now, depending upon the phone you're using, try to go to your security or privacy settings. In the case of this device, I can go to permission and controls. Then I can go to permission manager, and here I can scroll down and I can tap on additional permissions and make sure Spotify has access to the file permission. So if it cannot access your files, it cannot download songs to your file manager. So you need to make sure to tap on the See apps that can access all files option. And when you do that, you'll find a list of applications, which if you want, you can simply search for the Spotify application over here and make sure to give it the required permission. So this way you can fix if the Spotify download has failed. If one of these may have helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.